This video, I'm gonna be analyzing 5 pairs: the gold, BTC USD, Euro USD, USD JPY, and GBP USD. So now, this is my first time doing live video on YouTube. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly do so. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon so that you will be notified when I post Forex videos like this. On this channel, we post videos every Sundays. So let's go. The first in my list is gold. Okay, gold is the first. So now, as you can see, we are on lookout for gold. Let's go to our daily time frame. Okay, I thought I predicted something towards gold on gold. Let's go to our 4 hours time frame as well. As usual, on this channel we give you the latest. We analyze the forex market every Sunday. So now, as you can see, last week I predicted that the price would do what? Would pull back to this zone. Okay, let me mark this out. Last week, market opened right here. Look at this vertical line. Boom, this black vertical line. Okay, this was exactly where the market opened last week. So now, predicted that gold would do what? Pull back into this previous support area, into this previous resistance area that turned into support. The price will pull back to this zone and then move to the upside. Okay, and price did exactly as we did what? As we predicted. Price got into this zone and then gave us a higher low before pushing to the upside. So we took this trade. Now VIP group, we took this trade. Okay, so for this week, the market is going to open right here. Let me bring back this vertical line. Okay, the market is going to open right here. So what are we predicting for this week? What is our prediction on gold for this week? As you can see, the price is doing what? The price is giving us a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Okay, lower high, the first lower high, then the second lower low, then here, let's say this is equal highs. Okay, looking at this, I think this is what we call a chart pattern, a falling wedge. Okay, this, I am anticipating that this could be known as two patterns, because what I'm looking at here, I am seeing a falling wedge. Okay, and as well I'm also looking at an inverted head and shoulder. Okay, look at the reason I'm saying this. It also looks okay, because if you look at this impulsive movement, the price gave us this as well. Then this is the previous lower low that broke the previous, let's say, the previous higher low. Okay, this could be an inverted what, head and shoulder. It could get to this zone, okay, before pushing to the upside. So for this week, I am anticipating, I have two scenarios. I am anticipating that the price will do what, will break above this previous zone, okay, show the pattern before going to the upside, okay, before going to the upside, okay. I am also anticipating that the price would either do this instead, might break above this resistance area, then we'll catch it on the pullback before going to the upside, okay, before going to the what, to the upside, okay. So right here, let me change the color of this support area to blue. Now then, this is cool. This could be our present resistance right here, okay. This could be our present resistance, okay. So this is my analysis on gold, okay. I'm only looking for a buying opportunity, for buying opportunities, okay. So the second in my list is BTC. BTC, let's search it, let's look for it. BTC, USD. Okay, my net is bugging. BTC USD, it is loading. If you want to learn how to trade the forex market on the right path, okay, it is loading. Okay, let me take this one from here. Let me take it from here. It is loading. It's like my net is bad this time. My net is bad. What could be the issue? My net is very bad. What could be the issue right here? Oh my God. What's going on? So on this channel, we give you the best. We predict the best. Okay, boom. Whoa, back. We are right back. So now I'm gonna be analyzing BTC USD. Let's go to the daily time frame. Beautiful people. Oh my God. My net is bugging. So now on the daily time frame, you have to do what? Look for what we call the pure market structure. This is our resistance, okay. Let's mark the resistance as let's use the red color. So this is our resistance, okay. So now looking at this on the daily time frame, imagine you are looking at BTC and you see this. Okay, let's see the structure right here is lower low, a lower low, and a lower high, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. The market is about to change its word structure, looking as if it's an inverted word, head and shoulder. Look at this, okay. Higher low, higher high, okay. So this is exactly where the market is currently at. The market is stopped. BTC is stuck at this zone, this area. So now let's go to the 4 hours time frame. The 4 hours time frame is very, very fundamental when it comes to trading. 4 hour time frame is a solid time frame. In there, you will see what the market is at least trying to give in complex. Okay, now with that being said, let's go straight to the point. I am anticipating that BTC might do what? Let me bring out this part. I am anticipating that BTC will do what? Get to this zone before going to the upside. Okay? This is exactly what I am anticipating. Boom. Okay? I have two scenarios right here. BTC can also do this instead. BTC can break below this support area, give us change of character before giving us a break of structure, and then boom to the downside. So this is my zone right here. This is my support area. I've drawn it. Boom. Okay, this is it. And then this is our resistance right here as well. I've drawn it. So if you are looking for a buying opportunity, you have got to wait for the market to break above this resistance area, and then once the market comes back to this zone, you will then catch it on the pullback before going to the upside. Or you can also wait as well. If you want to go for a selling opportunity, you will have to wait for the market to break below this support area right here. Look at it. You have to wait for the market to break below this support area, and then you will then catch it on the pullback before going to the downside. That is it. This is it. So this is my analysis right here on BTC USD. As a scalper, okay, you can also scalp to market. Once this 4 hours candlestick closes, okay, what you gotta do is you have to go to your lower time frame, maybe the 15 minutes or maybe the 30 minutes time frame. You have to go to your lower time frame and then look closely. You must have to see a change of character, either break of structure or a chart pattern. Then from there, you will trade, you will go with it. Whichever way it goes, you can go ahead with it. If it is buying, you buy ahead. If it's selling, you sell ahead. So now the third in my list is let's say USDJPY. And I will give you the best every Sunday evening right here. We analyze the Forex market. Very soon I'm gonna be showing you all the best or the mining projects, the centralized or decentralized whatever mining apps that you could mine as well, so as to earn some tokens. They call it tokenomics. In a couple days I'm gonna start posting reviewing videos about the Web3 projects or mining projects, mining apps, such as the Pi network. Um, don't worry, I'm gonna come on this channel to tell you more about the mining opportunities. Okay. Now we are on the 4 hours time frame. This is USD JPY. Sorry, this I did not take this trade. Let me put it out. Let me take it out. So last week I gave you my analysis and it did what? Played. I said that the market, I was in this trade already. So I also analyzed that the market will pull back to this zone before going to the downside. The market did as well. The market pulled back, but it pulled back aggressively to this zone, giving us a lower high before going to the downside. It did not hit our TP, our stop loss, our SL. Either it hit our TP. Boom, we got it. So this week I'm going to be analyzing on the same pair, which is USD JPY. We are on the daily time, on the 4 hours time frame. So my analysis, I'm going to be analyzing this right now. Where do I start? Now we are on the 4 hours time frame, right? So now this is what I am anticipating. Okay, let me bring out my path arrow. So now I am anticipating that the price will do what? Break below support area and then give us a pullback. We'll catch before going to the what? To the downside. Okay, this is my analysis for USD JPY. Either way, you can wait for the market. To break below this static trend line. Okay, you can wait for the market to break below this static trend line, and then you might catch it on the pullback right here. Let me draw this zone. You might also catch it on the pullback right here. Okay, the price can give us a shallow pullback right back to this zone, okay, before going to the what? Downside. Or the price can do what? Break below this zone, giving us an aggressive breakout, and then give us a what? A shallow pullback right here. I should call it a deeper pullback, but this one right here, look at this black arrow I'm pointing at. This is what we'll call a deeper pullback, okay? But this present one right here is what we'll call a shallow pullback. Shallow means a little bit, okay? So this is my analysis what on USD JPY, okay? Remember the price is currently giving us what? This is a lower low, a lower high, lower low, lower high, then let's say higher low, then equal high. Okay, the market could do this as well, break above this zone, or either way you can wait for the market to break above this zone and then you will catch it on the pullback before going what? To the upside. Okay, so that is it. Sorry for the notification I just got. I'm being notified, so this is my analysis. Sorry, I've taken it out as well. It's bad. It is bad. Let me bring it back again. My analysis on USD JPY. USD JPY. So the next on my list is Euro USD. Let's find Euro USD. Euro USD. It is loading. On this channel, we give you the best. Every Sunday evening, we analyze the Forex market. We give you weekly Forex analysis. Okay, if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly do so. Like, share this video, hit that bell icon so that you will be notified on our. Okay, subscribe as well. If you have questions, drop your questions in the comment section. Okay, share this video so that YouTube will know that the channel is trying, so that YouTube can also as well push this channel or this video to more people out there, Okay, so now we are on USD. I am anticipating last week 1 2 3 4 5. Last week, yes, I took this trade as well. Boom, I took this trade right here, and the market played exactly just as we predicted. Sorry, let me take the market. I should take my long position right. I took this trade, but I forgot to bring this back. Yes, I took this trade right back to this zone. Boom, we are catching the market back to back. We trade like the institution, we trade like bank. Okay, so now last week on Euro USD, we are on the 4 hours. Remember, the market played out exactly as we predicted. Last week we predicted that the market would do what? Would break above, would pull back to this support area. Okay, this resistance that has turned into a support area, that the market will come back to this zone, to this area, then we'll catch it on the pullback. Remember, look at this black arrow. It was here and it's still here. The market will give us a shallow pullback and then go to the upside, and the market did accordingly. The market played exactly the way we wanted it, the way we predicted. So this week on the same chart, on the same pair, we are going to be analyzing it as well. I'm going to predict that the market would do what? Would break above this area or catch it on the pullback. Okay, before going to the what? Before going long. Okay, the market can as well give us a deeper pullback back to this support area. Look at this zone, back to this place before going to the upside. Okay, now you see this place, this zone, this place, boom, is very, very important. Okay, this zone, very, very important, and this zone as well. These two zones, this zone right here is also very, very important. You have to wait. If you want a simplified structure, you have to wait for the market to come back to those zones, okay, before you start looking for trading, for your trading opportunity. Okay, so that's it. So the last in my list is GBP USD. GBP what USD. Now remember that we have news on Tuesday, right? We have news on Tuesday. So if I am to trade the news, we have news on card pairs and as well USD pairs. So if you ask me, I'm gonna, if I want to check on pairs that are connected to or with card pairs as well, I'm gonna choose GBP card, and then for the USD I'm gonna go for let's say USD card as well. So if you want to trade the news, let's say on Tuesday, you have to go for GBP card, and that's what the second is the USD card. So these two pairs are going to move aggressively. Okay, their movements are going to be clear enough that even a blind man that has feelings could see it. Oh, don't mind me. Okay, right back. back back to GBP USD. So now I'm going to be analyzing GBP USD starting from the daily time frame. Remember, higher time frames are very important. If you're a day trader or a swing trader, a scalper, at least if you're a day trader, you will have to go for the higher time frames, okay? Like the 4 hours, maybe the 1 hour or the daily time frame. But if you are a scalper, you can go to your 30 minutes time frame. Boom. Either you can choose your 15 minutes time frame. So now we are waiting for GBP USD to load. The market knows that we are going to beat it. That is the reason it doesn't want to open. It hates to see me analyze it. Okay, so I don't blow the care. This week we are going to bank. We are going to back Mr. Benjamin. So now, sorry for the too much zones I drew here. Okay, so let me take this out. This black one. The black one. Let me take some of them out. Let me take them out. Okay, let me take them out. So last week, okay, I did not take any trade on GBP USD. Okay, yes, the market came back to this zone. Okay, but I did not enter this market. I did not take this trade. I would take this trade, but I wasn't opportune. I was not on desk. So as you can see, the market almost played out. If I had entered this market, I would have taken 50% of the profit, and then the market would eventually do what? Eventually hit my SL right here. Okay, so I did not take this trade either, but if I had taken this trade, I would have been in my 50% profit, and then once I enter, I will take it back to break even, and then right here where the market will hit our stop loss. Yeah, anyways, but thank God I did not take this market. But let me ask a question. If you take 5 trades in a week and then you lose only one, and you are winning you want the other 4, aren't you trying? Remember, no strategy on the planet Earth is 100% assured. So that is why you have to manage what your risk management, your risk tolerance. Okay, manage your psychology. When Forex, to some people, they say Forex is spiritual. Forex is not spiritual. Okay, market would always do whatever it wants to do. Master your strategy. Stick to it. Don't jump from one strategy to the other. Okay? So this week we are going to analyze GBP/USD. Same thing, it never changed. So now that the market will do what? Break above this zone, we will catch it on the pullback before going to the what? To the upside. Okay? The market could either way give us a deeper pullback. Let me bring my pad. The market could also give us a deeper pullback back to this what? Support area. Okay? So now this is my analysis. What the analysis I've got for this pair. Okay, you can also wait for the market to do what? To break below this zone. You can catch it on the pullback right back to this zone, on this zone, or let's say at this zone, before going to the downside. Okay, yeah, so nothing in the forex market is 100% assured. Okay, shout out to Happy Forest, shout out to Dapo Willis, shout out to Thread Yeti, shout out to Jeffrey Benson, shout out to Mamba FS, shout out to QBank, shout out to FS LSG, shout out to Raja Banks, shout out to many my mentors out there. Okay, so this is my analysis on GBP USD. GBP USD. If you are a scalper, I would like to advise you to do what? Always take 30 minutes or maybe the 15 minutes as your higher time frame as a scalper. Okay, as you can see, I am only looking for buys on GBP USD. Okay, so if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly hit that subscribe button, like this video, share this video, good comment in the comment section. I am always ready to reply you back if you have questions. Okay, on this channel every Sunday we analyze the forex market, so tell a friend to tell a friend to always get ready every Sunday. Okay, so I think I've completed the 5 pairs I have wanted to analyze for this week. God bless you all. See you on the other side. See you on the other side. Welcome to Price Embassy Forex. Goodbye. All right.